Hello, good people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. The case of Nnamdi Kanu is having a twist almost on a daily basis. Some few days ago, we woke up to a new way of handling terrorism case, which Nnamdi Kanu's own is part of it, and they said it's going to be a case of secret trial. But right now, the lawyers who are exhibiting legal muscle against such, trial have decided to take a very drastic action against the Federal High Court judge who brought out those requirements for uh, terrorism related cases. You're going to hear what the American based counsel for Nnamdi Kanu, the step he has taken against the federal high court judge. But before we give you full details of that, I would like to encourage you, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, Bruce Finn, the American counsel for the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, on Friday announced that he has filed fresh charges at the International Criminal Court (ICC), The Hague, Netherlands, against the federal judge Justice John Tuchel for an April 7 order confirming a secret trial of his client. Can be recalled that Justice Tuchel had instructed that all trials of people suspected of having committed acts of terrorism in Nigeria will henceforth be held in camera. The court said the new ruling was designed to ensure the security and safety of all parties and members of the public and to ensure fair trial. Hmm. It warned that anyone who contravenes the instruction would be deemed an offender of Section 34, Subsection 5 of the amended Terrorism Prevention Act 2021. The statement came amid the trial of Kanu, who heads a pro-Biafra group the Nigerian federal government had already branded as a terrorist organization. According to Bruce Finn, he says that today I filed charges of genocide and crime against humanity in the International Criminal Court against the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, John Tuchel, for an April 7 order directed by President Muhammadu Buhari authorizing the secret trial and judicial murder of Nnamdi Kanu. Those were the words that the US-based US-based Counsel of Nnamdi Kanu said, and which means that though John Tuchel has been taken to International Criminal Court, and though he did not fully spell out everything as the content of the suit that he has filed against the Federal High Court judge, but then it's an indication that there's a twist in that case, and the reactions have been pouring in ever since he made that publication. Someone here says instead of all Biafran, both village and Lagos to go to Aso Rock and beg Buhari and ask for forgiveness, they're wasting their money and time looking for what is not lost. Another person here said this IPOB must think Nigerians are same with their one and gullible followers. So the ICC has turned into Federal High Court Abuja looking into secret trial of Nigerians. Who is Fain? Another person from Sudan ruling Nigeria that's not true. He's a well-recognized lawyer who had created reasonable impact in cases like this. I think that's why they had to go for him. Another person here says this is a welcome good news for Nnamdi Kanu, not and the members of IPOB that are languishing in detention for fighting the injustice meted on Igbos. Another person here says God will punish every enemy of Biafra. So this one said, I think even during the military regime, coup plotters then weren't tried secretly. They don't know why some government official like to build mountain where none existed. mean, so much to talk about there. But when we are talking about this issue of secret trial here and there, for most people, they are overly uncomfortable with it. But I feel that if you have an ideal person as your legal representative, whether they take it offshore or wherever they take it to, at the end of the day, the case will still be run fairly, you understand? But then, it must be in public place so that the people will understand, because it's not just a case of one man. This is a case of a leader, and being that he is a leader, so many people are overly interested in the case. They want to hear what is happening per time. They don't want to be in the dark. And most of the time when those things happen, um, multiple explanations can come, multiple understanding, interpretation for words say can come. People can, make comments about what is happening and all of that. But when you put everybody in the dark, and then all of a sudden you wake up to say, the case went against the defendant, we found out that he was guilty and all of, people won't believe you. They will say that it's just you have finally victimized him. So it's ideal for everything to be done in such a way that all eyes will see it, because if all eyes see it, then they will come to a conclusion that you did well or you did not do well. And we're going to also still look at some of the reactions of Nigerians again. And this one here says Bruce Wayne shouldn't waste his time because nobody really have his time. It's either he faces international cases and leave this Nnamdi Kanu case alone. Another person here says this man never tired to carry Kanu's case for it. He needs to wake up and come to a point of acceptance that this case can only be resolved by political solution. Someone here says, we haven't seen reply from ICC on all suits lodged there. Why are they not giving us dates for those suits against Nigeria? Why haven't we heard of an invitation to Nigerian government on those cases filed against them? Someone here says, happy to hear our able attorney. Please follow it up and other cases that you file, making sure that you get proper and urgent attention they need. Do not relent, please, because all must surely end in praise. Another person here says, greetings, sir. Why are they not responding to all the charges that you have been filing all this while? That's another big question that have really shocked Nigerians, because if you want Nigerians to take you seriously, then you need to come out clean and they need to see response. There have not been any response. We just heard that this guy is visiting Nigeria some few days ago. I think that was precisely was yesterday or day before yesterday. They came around, but they didn't even discuss it. They didn't even come with document to invite Nigeria over and all of that. So I think that's why IPOB members are like questioning it. Every day you wake up and you tell us, I filed this, I have filed that. When will those cases be treated and all of that? We'd like to leave it there. Go to our comment section. Let's enter. What's your position on the new move by Bruce Wayne in fighting the case of Nnamdi Kanu secret trial in ICC? Let's interact in our comment.